How to use Copilot Chat.
To start talking with Copilot Chat, select the icon Copilot on the left-hand sidebar in Teams or Outlook, or open the Copilot app on the bottom bar of your computer, or select the edge icon on the top right. You can also go to m365copilot.com and make sure to log in with your corporate account. The look and feel will be always the same. You can also access with a mobile device downloading the Microsoft 365 Copilot app. Remember to always use the company account at login. It will provide right privacy of your conversations with AI. Now, you are on the Copilot Chat, you can choose one of the available example prompts or start writing your own prompt directly in the Copilot Chat prompt box. Remember to use simple but clear language and provide context to achieve better results. For example, try this prompt. Write a speech on the pros and cons of social media. The target audience is pre-teens, so make it casual and youthful. Send a message and Copilot will answer. If you want, you can reiterate the message. With more prompts on the same conversation, Copilot will answer maintaining the context. If you want to start a new conversation, select New Chat on top right corner. Have a nice trip with your new AI assistant.